Meaning of forbade.
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 Forbade. The word forbade is the past tense of the verb forbid. It means to prohibit or disallow something. When someone forbids an action or behavior, it means they have commanded it not to be done. The result of something being forbidden is that it becomes unlawful or against the rules to engage in that action or behavior. Those who disobey the forbid dance may face consequences such as punishments, fines, or legal action. Sometimes, the reason behind forbidding something is to maintain order, protect public safety, or prevent harm.